Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to have you here today, and I hope you're having a great day. If you don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below to let YouTube know that you like what you see here and you want more of it. And I appreciate you very much. Today, we are going to be doing a look with the BH Cosmetics Blueberry Muffin palette. Ooh, it's so bright and shiny. And it is Beauties. I know the holographic, background doesn't hurt, but look at that, it's just beautiful. And I'm going to swatch some shadows for you so we can see what we're working with. So we're going to cross the top. This is Sweet, Cheat Day, Crumble, and Decadent. And you can see those two shimmers doing a good job of shimmering. I'm really excited about this palette. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I heard it's a dupe for a Scott Barnes palette. And this is Sugared, Cravings, Treat, and 350. Like the temperature you would use to cook with something. And there we go. See some more great shimmers. There's a lot of great shimmers in this. And I think, depending on how this next row swatches, we might have a duochrome. And this is So Good, Tempting, Yummy, and Baker's Dozen. You know how big a Baker's Dozen is? It's 13. Oh my God, look at that. See, there's the duochrome right there. It's kind of got a blue-green shift. And then look at that purple shimmer. It's so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Might kiss myself. I said, God damn. I'm James Brown. Except not at all. And then we've got Hot and Fresh, Delish, Fluffy, and Stud Muffin. Ooh, Stud Muffin. That's so 80s. And there we have it. It is a very beautiful palette with some good payoff. And I can't wait to put it on my eyeballs. Okay, my eyelids, not my eyeballs. But this is very beautiful. And I'm going to start in the crease with Fluffy. It's kind of an apricot color. It is about the perfect transition color. And that looks super cute. And we did find out through the comments that when your nose itches, is someone's going to visit you. And I do have plans to see somebody tomorrow. Thanks, nose. The nose always knows. And now the next color is going to be the hardest one to pick because there's so many purpley blues and duochromes. I think I'm going to go in with Cheat Day. No, Delish. So pigmented. That's crazy pigmented. This is just gorgeous. This is so pretty. This is really making it super easy to make a beautiful look so far. Let's get into, there was a little kick up in the pan, but nothing to write home about. I'm going to go into Tempting. Which is the duochrome. Oh, look, you can see that. Let me get back into this delish. Blend it up a little higher. I'm going to go into Crumble and put that on my lid. Maybe put a little extra layer over here. Build it up a little. This is dynamic. Let's get a blending brush. I think we have a real simple look with just these colors. I am going to use some eyeliner from Lurella, which is a great eyeliner. I got a little smudge under my eye. And this just looks so dynamic. I'm gonna blend it out just a little more. And I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes for mascara. I swear this is a one dip mascara that totally has all the payoff you would ever want. I did get it in my Ipsy Glam Bag X. But I would buy this mascara again in 2 seconds. And let's just do a simple nude lip. Let's see. Family Jewels. Yes. That's a gorgeous look. And I'm totally happy with this palette. I can't wait to do more looks with it. And this is the Blueberry Muffin palette from BH Cosmetics. Have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.